Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows an early pregnancy of about 4.5 weeks, 4.5 weeks, with an ovarian cyst. You can see this is the gestation sac, and a tiny fetal pole is visible. In its interior, a small umbilical vesicle or yolk sac. This is cervix. Now, again you can see a tiny fetal pole. Ovarian cysts are common during early pregnancy. Usually these cysts are harmless, just like most other ovarian cysts. However, there are few possible problems if cysts continue to grow throughout the pregnancy. Now this is the fetal pole. It may be a small umbilical vesicle or yolk sac. Happily, the majority of ovarian cysts would not affect the pregnancy at all. Other types of cysts can continue to grow during pregnancy and in some cases can cause pain, but even in those cases, such cysts usually do not cause problems for the pregnancy. Now you can see the blood flow is not visible at this point of pregnancy, at this duration. Very difficult to see the blood flow. Most ovarian cysts do not cause infertility. Cysts that become infected and cause a pelvic infection may cause scarring of the fallopian tubes, which could cause infertility. However, this is rare. Ovarian cysts that contain endometriosis may be associated with infertility. Now, if the cyst gets so bigger, it prevents the baby's head from engaging in the pelvis. Then the doctor may insert a needle and drain it when you are close to your due date. If this is successful, you should be able to give birth naturally. Your doctor can remove the cyst via keyhole surgery a few months after the baby is born. Now again you can see the fetal cardiac activity is occasionally seen. In this case also, very feeble cardiac activity is visible. Ovarian cysts are fluid-filled sacs that form on the ovaries. Ovarian cysts usually are not cancerous. If you have been diagnosed with ovarian cyst and are trying to get pregnant, it is important to note that ovarian cysts do not typically cause problems with the fertility. However, there are always exceptions to the rule. You can see the fetal cardiac activity is visible and audible in this case. Which is shown by the graph, but very weak sound. So these ovarian cysts can lead to a number of potential problems during pregnancy. In pregnancy, the problems are more acute in the asymptomatic phase because the risk of premature delivery caused by or associated with surgical intervention increases with gestational age after approximately 20 weeks. Cyst may rupture during pregnancy. If a very early pregnancy, this may cause diagnostic confusions. With the ectopic pregnancy, rebound tenderness from the pain is possible, and the hemorrhage from a cyst can rarely be severe enough to cause a shock. You can see the ovary, left ovary this is the left ovary, it is echomeconormal, but right ovary shows a cyst, a large cyst measuring about 5 centimeter in diameter. Now you can see this cyst. This cyst is round to oval in shape and as is slightly clear fluid. Right ovarian cyst. The incidence of ovarian cysts during pregnancy is less than 5% and most of them are benign in nature. Laparoscopic cystectomy proves to be a safe operation during first and second trimester of pregnancy. Most ovarian cysts are asymptomatic and harmless, but cysts that continue to grow can rupture or twist and cause complications during pregnancy and delivery. Symptoms include pelvic pain, which may be isolated to one side, that is on the affected side. So the most ovarian cysts are small and harmless. They occur most frequently during the reproductive years, but they can appear at any age. There are often no signs and symptoms, but ovarian cyst can sometimes cause pain and bleeding. If the cyst is over 5 centimeter in diameter, it may need to be surgically removed. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.